video. Today, I'm in my garage and my Mustang's not here. I have to go pick it up from the detail shop. I had the ceramic coating done. It took an extra week to get it done instead of what I thought would have been last week. He delayed me until this week to get it done because he needed to get the ceramic coating in from the UK. So it's all done and I'm going to go pick it up. He did find that there was 2 little dents in it instead of just 1, so I'll show you pictures of those here. And he sent me this picture of the car saying it's all done, so let's go pick it up and see how it came out. Alright guys, so I'm back in my Mustang here and I got it back from the detailer and I gotta tell you, it came out really good. I'm very happy with it. It looks like a brand new car and the job that they did really enhanced the look of it and made it really nice. I'm gonna take it to this place up here where I can show off the car and do some filming, and I'll show you guys how it came out. Hope you like it. Gotta get there quick, right? Alright, I'm pulling up to the spot up here where I can show you guys how well of a job he did detailing my car. So I'll pull over and we'll take some photographs and I'll show you guys what it's all about. Alright guys, here she is. She's all ceramic coated, protected, and looking good. I'm very happy with the results. They did the ceramic coating on the paint. They did my rims with the ceramic coating, and they also cleaned my engine. Alright, here is my car after its ceramic coating. It's got a great shine to it, and it looks great. Alright, if you guys can remember that I had some rust spots that were on my hood, and right now I'm having trouble finding where they were. They did a really good job of getting them out. And I can actually see a little spot right here where there's just like the tiniest speck of where it was. So if that's all that's left after the coating and the treatment, that's pretty good. I'll show you guys a close-up on this side. I see a little spot here and a little one there. It's really much better than it was. It was totally much worse, and I'm sure those weren't easy to get out. Alright, as you guys can see, they did under the hood too. They really did an amazing job. I'll show you the before pictures here now. And then this is the after pictures, and I'm going to show you this closer up. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tomorrow I have a motorcycle ride that's coming up, and hopefully the weather holds out and I can go on this poker run that they have. So hopefully I'll be bringing you footage from that. If not, I'll see you guys next video. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.